you can create horizontal ruler guides that either apply just to a current page or span the spread and pasteboard. It's a simple but sometimes confusing distinction between how you drag to get one versus the other. Obviously, click and drag from the horizontal ruler, and if you drag to within the page, you get a ruler guide that only crosses that page. If you click and drag so that your cursor is outside the page on the pasteboard, then you get a ruler guide that crosses both pages in the spread, or all pages if you have more than 2 pages in your spread, and the pasteboard.